Hi, I'm Diane. Welcome to Sweet Inspirations by Sotheby's International Realty. When I walked into the space at 141 Fifth, I was inspired to be baking. Today, I'm going to share with you one of my special holiday treats. It's an all-in-one Thanksgiving cake. We'll start with the dry ingredients. I'm going to sift the flour. Then I'm going to add the baking soda, baking powder, and then I get to add those luscious holiday spices: cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, and a pinch of salt. Now we're going to go on to the other ingredients. I'm going to beat the butter till it's light and fluffy. Then I'm going to add in the white sugar, the brown sugar, and then I'm going to add in the eggs one at a time. And then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Now I'm going to add the pumpkin, and as I mix the pumpkin in, it may look a little curdled. Don't worry, just keep going. It's all going to be fine. I'm then going to start adding in all the dry ingredients in little by little and letting the hand mixer do its thing. We're going to take our chopped apple, our chopped pecans, and our chopped cranberries, and we're going to mix it into the wet and dry ingredients. I can do that with a regular mixing spoon. Once I've put it into the prepared greased pan, I'm using a bundt pan here, I'm leveling out the top so that it rises at the same time and gives us a nice round top. I then take the whole thing and I put it into a 350-degree oven for 60 minutes. After the cake comes out of the oven, let it cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. You can make a glaze to drizzle on top out of confectioner's sugar and maple syrup. There's nothing like the day after Thanksgiving being able to sit down and have a slice of the holiday with a cup of coffee and really just enjoy the moment.